Shakas. Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I had the privilege of joining in on a swap that was hosted by Susan T. Tucker here on YouTube. And the swap was meet me with some die cuts, and they do it every month. I believe it's every month, and there's a different theme every month. So this was the first month I joined, and I was partnered up with the Polkadot Pinecone here on YouTube. She's Monty Gale, and I received my swap from her, and so I just wanted to share what I got. Let's get in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I emptied everything out. Please do not bend. And my post office did not, but if because it fit perfectly in my P.O. box. But I know in previous times, the bigger packaging, they've bent it to squeeze it to fit in there. So good call on putting that on there. Thanks, Monty. Oh my gosh, look at a tag flip. And here's a card. Okay, love, because I don't have a laminator, and so pretty. Okay, here's the card. Oh, love this sunflower. A cheerful thought, like a lovely flower, can brighten any day. Yep. Oh, so she's just thanking me participating, and she said she's been in all of them except for one, so awesome. Okay, so let's dig in. Okay, let's open this little envelope. How cute. Look at this octopus. Do you see it? Focus. Yeah, there he is. How cute. Woo, woo, woo. Don't want to lose him. He's too cute. And then this envelope, she has a pinwheel on top. This is a cute bag. Maybe she made it. I don't know. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, how cute. So we got some little froggies and birdies. Love it. I don't have any of these. Perfect. I like the metallic cardstock, I guess. It almost looks like it's sequins, but it's not. Some of them are glittered and some are metallic. Nice. Thank you, Monty. And then the tag flip. Oh, this is a good idea. She stuck the die cuts in her tags. Love that idea. Ooh. Oh, I love these. Pretty. Look, butterfly. All different shapes and sizes. Oh, I love these. Look, you can layer them too. I don't believe I have a layering butterfly die. Thank you so much, Monty. Thank you, thank you. See, that's why this is good, because you get to get some dies you don't have. Oh, how rude. My camera cut me off. But here is what she sent. I love this. I don't have any of these anchors. I don't have any anchor die cuts. And it's very detailed. Thank you, thank you. And then look at this. She sent me some Mickey heads. Yeah, if you've watched my channel, you know that I am a big Disney nerd. Oh, I love this red paper. Pretty. Thank you so much. And then she also sent me these birthday suits. No, she sent me these bikinis. How cute. The tops and the bottoms. So cute. I love the colors. And there's that metallic paper. So pretty. Thank you. And then the last one in the tag flip. And look at this pom-pom. I have this trim. Oh, I like it because it's like a little sparkly. Oh, thank you so much, Monty. I loved all these die cuts. Thank you. I can use them definitely. I don't have any of these. And then this was the last one in the tag flip. Oh, it's an ice cream cone I can piece together with a cherry on top. So cute. Oh, thank you. Look. Oh, with sprinkles there and the cherry on top. So cute. Thank you so much, Monty. And then this is the last thing. I love this. Did you make this envelope? You must have a laminator. Oh my gosh, and she snap closed it. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I love this. Thank you. Oh, she put like more die cuts. What? Aw. Okay, let's, I just want to sit and snap it all day. Okay, sorry, arrows, right? Oh, so I think that's these. And she supplied the breads. Look at that. Thank you. So flamingos, some pineapples, right up my alley. Love it, love it. And then more die cuts. Oh, I don't have this for sure. Look at how pretty. Nice. I can use them when I'm making cards. Oh, look at this. This is an airplane. That is cool. Awesome, awesome. So this is from Monty. Thank you so much, Monty. I'm so glad I was your partner, and I'm so glad you got everything I sent you as well. And I'm looking forward to the next month, Susie, that you host this. Hi, girl. I don't know if she watches my videos. Nobody probably does. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a crafty week. And until the next video, shakas.